Jose Ariel Jimenez Rivera, professionally known as Ariel Rivera, born September 1st, 1966, is a Filipino singer, songwriter, and actor. Rivera was born in Manila, Philippines, but has since migrated with his family to Canada. He has since become a successful singer-songwriter and actor. He is dubbed as Kilabot ng Kolehiyala, a title formerly bestowed upon Haji Alejandro, a popular Filipino singer in the 1970s. Rivera was a graduate of architecture in Canada, and he was also an undergraduate of psychology before his singing talent was accidentally discovered by Vinny Saturno while he was on holiday in the Philippines singing at a cousin's wedding. In 1989, Musico Records and BMG Records Pilipinas Inc., now known as Sony Music Philippines, signed Rivera to their label. His self-titled debut album was released after 2 years. The first single, Sana Kahit Minsan, was a one popper and B crossover hit. The album went 3 platinum. In 1992, he quickly released his second album, Simple Lang. This album also went 3 platinum. In 1994, Rivera began recording new material for his next album, Photograph. Photograph was released in 1995. His album reached gold status in the Philippines. Due to his acting commitments, he wasn't able to release albums as frequently as he did before, but in 2008, he released Once Again, which continued 9 original songs and covers of Kung Ako Na Lang Sana and Michael Bolton's Go the Distance. Acting career. In 1992, Rivera tried acting. His first starring role in the film Back at Labis Kidding Mahal earned him a Best Supporting Actor award in the 1990 Metro Manila Film Festival. In 1999, he played the title character of Rama in the staging of Rama at Sita, the musical by SK Entertainment at the University Theater. For most of the 2000s, he acted in GMA teleseries. Personal life, Rivera has 2 older siblings, Leo and Gemma, and 2 younger siblings, Orvin and Marvin. He married actress Gelly de Belen on December 22, 1997, in Santuario de San Jose, and both did a film released 5 months before their marriage entitled Ikapala Ang Mahal Ko. The couple has 2 sons, Joaquin Andres and Julio Alessandro. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.